Nobody wants to make any baskets?
I just did! What is that, Daddy? I just did! It's too tall. Saying we can't make no basket.
3 in a row.
Here, let's see this.
Watch how it's done. Just watch and learn.
1.
Good job, Daddy.
1.
Take a lesson, son. Take a lesson. 2.
2.
Ball comes right back to me because it knows where I want to be. Right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah!
That's right.
Yeah!
That's right, Kelsey.
Oh!
1 in a row?
Miss!
One in a row.
I can't even do 1 in a row.
You can do it 2 in a row. You can do it 2 in a row.
Alright, I can.
Yeah.
Give it back to me. I'm feeling good. Give it back. Woo! That's like Pistol Pete.
1, 2,
Let me go with that Pele stuff again.
3! Congratulations.
And for my
Miss.